Alicia, he has some makeup for his nose.
Can I change?
Yes. Does anybody else need to change for the first assembly? Okay, go ahead. Showtime's at 9 o'clock. I have some people behind the stage, starting with Mr. Porter, that shouldn't be there. Come on over here. Let's wait there.
Mommy, look at that. This is my silly lion right here. This is the lion. Trust me, Black Panther.
Oh, what's your name?
Ashley Crothers. Ashley Boudet Cutter.
All right.
Boudet, Ashley.
Good.
Should we have the chocolate?
You ready?
We're gonna get the ones that clip on, Mommy. The ones that clip on your clothes. Huh? It's showtime. Krisserin. It's showtime.
Let's take the Western sound. Everybody have a seat? Now, Michael, have a seat. If you're talking, stop. There you go. Now, this is not any different. Today is absolutely no different than what we've been doing for the last 3 weeks, except we've got an audience. Okay, everything's the same. So you shouldn't have a lot of questions because we've practiced it, and it should be the same as we've always done. However, I will take a couple questions. Michael?
We step the shoes, the socks up in the toe part of the shoe. I'll just go flat.
Okay. Now the audience won't be able to see when you pull it through. You're just going to have to, if no one sees it or if you don't do it at exactly the right time or something.
We do it in the door.
I'm not changing anything in the play today.
As soon as she takes them, we just pull them.
Right.
As soon as she takes them off, do I say going right and down?
She's going to have her mind so full of other things, lying, but I don't want her to worry about those songs. Okay. All right, any other questions? Yes. It's going to be in the right of the curtain. We'll pull it out. Anybody else? Yes.
What about those little microphones?
Okay, they did not arrive. That was part of the deal.
Yes.
We have a shotgun mic over here, which sends out, it's like I think of it as an ice cream cone. And it pulls in within that cone up to quite a distance, like all the way across the stage. This one is not as good as the shotgun mic, but it also has a larger radius, so we should be okay on mic. And we have this one up front. The joke people, Jennifer, you're not listening. Jennifer, you'll just walk up to this, okay? Now, the scarecrow and everybody, be aware of the cords. You got to work around these cords. You don't want to step on them or get your foot caught in them, okay? So be very careful with that. Should be right back. Here. Yes. No, just leave the mic right here. You'll walk up to the front, make your announcement display started. Mr. Bennett is right in the middle of somebody talking. Yeah, all the lights will be turned off, including the side one, after everybody's seated. And Brenda, you're going to be in charge of lighting. Okay, you're really capable on it. So when everybody's seated, and I give you the go-ahead, I give you a thumbs up. You kill the lights, except for that emergency light in the back. And then these spots will be on, the back lights will be on to start with, and then you know what to do. Go ahead, take care of it. Any Anybody else have a question? Josh and Mike, everybody's kind of, if you're backstage, you want to stay out of their way because they're going to be changing scenes and so on. You know where all your stuff is.
Yeah, scene 4 is the dungeon.
Where's the bucket?
Right over there.
Okay, you've got everything squared away for that, right?
Scene 4 is the dungeon.
Ronnie, you know where your hat is? It's in the bucket. Let me give you that.
Amanda, just...
Now, why is everybody getting up? Have a seat.
By Mr. Garrett's class. Once there was a little girl named Dorothy. Dorothy lived with her Auntie Anne and her Uncle Henry and her little dog Toto. Dorothy and Auntie Anne and Uncle Henry and Toto lived on a prairie in Kansas, and sometimes Dorothy was not very happy. Oh, Toto, everything in Kansas is great. The dirt is green, the grass is green, the house is great. Sometimes I dream of a place where the grass is green and the birds are blue and the flowers are all different colors. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Some people just want to trip and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney top. That's where you'll find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow. What, oh, what can I? If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh, why can't I? Dorothy didn't know, but her dream was just about to come true. Look, Henry, there's a storm coming. That's no storm, that's a cyclone. We better get the cyclone started. Come on, Dorothy, it's a cyclone, hurry up. Wait, where's Toto? Toto, where are you? Toto, come here. But before they could get to the shower, the cyclone picked up the house, Dorothy and Toto in it, and carried it away. Gee, home cooking.
Why did the Jeep keep falling out of his chair at the dinner table?
He was starting a crash diet.
How many Jeeps does it take to shoot a basketball?
2. One to throw the ball and the other to fire the shotgun. After many hours, Dorothy's house smattered with a bomb, and Dorothy and Toto came outside to see where they were.
I know one thing, Toto. This isn't Kansas. Look at those flowers. What a beautiful place.
wonderful. She made slaves out of blue munchkin. And now that she's dead, the munchkins are free.
We're free! We're free! Ding dong, the witch is dead. The witch has been so wicked rich. Ding dong, the wicked witch is dead. Well, I'm glad to tell people. Who are you?
I am the girl to the north. Who are you?
I am Dorothy and this is Toto. We're from Kansas and we better get back. How do you get to Kansas from here?
I'm afraid I don't know. You see, there's a tremendous delta all around the land of Oz.
Well, can't anyone help me get home again?
There might be someone. Who? The wizard. The wisest man in Oz. He could do anything.
Oh, that's wonderful. How can I find him?
First, you better put on the ruby shoes for luck. And now just follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick
So he could see where it stopped raining.
How does it eat and let silver tennis ball?
So he could see when it stopped, like when spaghetti has tomato sauce.
Let's sit down a minute, Toto. I'm tired.
Nice day, isn't it?
That's odd. I thought I heard someone say nice day, isn't it? But I must have been imagining it.
Krisserin, you're back.
No, you didn't. It was me.
You?
Certainly, there's no one here but you, your dog, and me. Your dog can't talk, and it wasn't you, so it must have been me.
I didn't know scarecrows could talk.
Oh, yes, certainly, certainly.
Well then, how do you do? I am Dorothy and this is Toto.
And I'm Scarecrow. Now that we're friends, I wish you do me a favor.
What?
Take me off this pole. I've been here for 2 days.
Oh, sure.
Oh, yes, that feels much better.
Well, now can you do me a favor?
What's that?
Can you tell me, am I going the right way to find the wizard?
Oh, dear, I'm afraid I can't tell you anything. My head's full of straw. I haven't got a brain. What's a wizard?
He's the wisest man in Oz. I'm going to ask him to send me back to Kansas.
You think you'd give me a brain?
I don't know, but why don't you come along anyway? You can't be any worse off than you are now.
That's true. Let's go. We're off.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's that Tin Woodsman. Are you drowning? What's the matter?
What am I doing?
Is that better?
Oh, yes. I've been staying there ever since I got caught in the rain last year, but now I can walk again. Then why don't you walk to the wizard with us?
Who's the wizard?
He's the wisest man in Oz. Dorothy's going to ask him to send her back to Kansas, and I'm going to ask for a brain.
You think he'll give me a heart?
Wouldn't you rather have a brain? If you didn't have a brain, you wouldn't know what to do with the heart.
But brains can never make you happy, and happiness is the best thing in the world. Well, come on, maybe we'll all get what we want. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Roar! Are there any wild animals in this forest? Lions and tigers and bears, that's all I know. Oh my! Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my! Lions and tigers. Shame on you, you bad lion! Picking on a little dog, you're nothing but a big coward. You're right. I am a coward. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you cry. No, you're right. I'm supposed to be the king of thieves, but I really don't have any courage at all. Then why don't you come to the wizard with us? Why? Well, the scarecrow's going to ask for some brains, and the Tin Woodsman's going to ask for heart. And I'm going to ask if he'll send me back to Kansas. Maybe you can ask for some courage. Well, I think I will. We're off to see the wizard. The wonderful wizard.
But how can the Squeaker, an 11-year-old girl with mighty lungs, kill a huge, mean old dragon? Squeaker went into her bedroom, closed her eyes, concentrated very hard, and shook on her squeaker power. Then she set off to find the mountain. Then she had to locate the dragon cave. That wasn't too hard because it was the only cave that had smoke coming out of it, and human bones drew all over the front entrance. When Squeaker found the cave, she went inside and found the dragon sleeping soundly. Very carefully, Squeaker tiptoed over the dragon, who lifted up his ear, took a deep breath, and let out a tremendous squeak. One of her very best, I might add. The dragon opened his bloody shot eyes in absolute horror. He blinked once, twice, and then closed his eyes very slowly, never to open them again. Squeaker grew up and became a professional dragon slayer during the summer months and played running back for the San Francisco 49ers during the fall. After many miles and many adventures, Dorothy, Tyler, the Scarecrow, the Tin Woodsman, the Lion reached the palace of the Wizard, where they meet the guardian of the gates. Follow me! Oh, great Wizard, here are 5 people. Here are 5 people who wish to speak with you.
I am the Wizard, Great and Terrible. Who are you?
I am Dorothy, small and meek. Oh, great Wizard, we need your help.
I want a brain.
I want a heart. And I want
Speak up!
courage. And Toad and I want to go back to Kansas. Can you help us?
I can.
Yay!
Bravo!
You won't help us?
Not until you do something for me.
What could we do for you?
You killed the wicked witch in the east.
I didn't need to. My house fell on her.
Never mind. Now you must kill the wicked witch in the west.
Oh, but I couldn't do that. I've never killed anything in my life. On purpose.
Go kill the wicked witch in the west. Then come back and I will help you.
What?
Go!
Oh, now what are we going to do, Dorothy? Now I'll never get my courage.
And I'll never get my brain.
And I'll never get my heart. And Toad and I will never go back to Kansas. I couldn't kill anybody, even a wicked witch. Besides, I don't even know where she lives. You don't know I am, Dorothy, but I know you are. I see that stupid scarecrow. I see that tin old wizard. I see that silly one and that yappy dog. And I can see you and your silver shoes. Those shoes have a magic power, and I want them, and I'm going to get them. Yippity yappity. Don't here. You are my Christmas. You into the dirt, and you take this bucket and scrub on the floor. And now I'll be taking those groovy shoes. Oh, you needle witch, those are my lucky shoes. Give it back. Don't be silly. Oh, get another one too, and then you and your friends will die. Oh, you are wicked. No! Oh, you found me. I found me. Oh. She's dead. She's dead. We're free. The wicked witch is dead.
Now the wizard has to help us.
Ding dong, the witch is dead. The witch is dead. The witch is dead. He's lost the right feet and she keeps carrying. She won't talk to me. Try offering her a cracker. Dr. Mikey, parents think they are
Dorothy and her friends went back to the palace of the wizard. Sure, he would help them now that the Wicked Witch of the West is dead. Oh, great wizard, the boss has returned.
Oh, it's you again. What do you want?
The Wicked Witch is dead and you said you would help us.
You said you'd give me a break. You said you'd give me a heart.
And you said you'd give me some courage. And you said you'd send Toad and I back to Kansas.
Yes, fine. Come back in a few days and I'll let you know.
That's not fair. The Wicked Witch is dead and you said you would help us.
That's right.
Yeah! Who are you? Where's the wizard?
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
Nobody's gonna hit you, but who are you?
I am the wizard.
You?
But I'm not really a wizard. I'm just a big fake.
Well, then why did you ask us to kill the Wicked Witch of the West?
Because she knew who I was, and she could have hurt me. And besides, I didn't think you could do it, and you wouldn't have come back here asking for miracles.
But we were counting on you. What will we do?
Well, maybe I could help your friends anyway.
How?
What? Scarecrow, come here. You want some brown? Here's some brown that should be just as good.
Oh, yes, I can think better already. Square root of 36 is 6.
And wouldn't it? You want a heart. Here's, I just happen to have one here.
Oh, thank you. I've never been so happy in my life. Look, everybody, it ticks. See?
And Lion, you want some courage. I've been saving this bottle of courage for years.
Oh, thank you. I've never felt so brave. Roar! What about me? Can you help me get back to Kansas?
I'm afraid not. After all, I'm not a real wizard.
But I want to go home.
Maybe I can help you, Dorothy.
Who are you?
I am the Good Witch of the South. All of us here in Oz are grateful for you for killing the Wicked Witch. My twin sister helped you find the wizard. Maybe I can help you get back home.
How?
It's your shoes. That's why it's a wish wonderland so much.
What should I do?
Close your eyes and think 3 times. There's no place like home. Your shoes will carry you there.
Oh, I'll do it right away, and thank you.
Are you going away, Dorothy?
Are you really going, Dorothy? Oh, dear, I hate to leave you, but I really want to go home. That's okay, Dorothy.
That's okay, Dorothy. What's wrong with you? Aren't you sad that Dorothy's leaving?
Yes, but I can't cry over us. Oh, dear. Poor Woodland. That better?
Oh yes, but who will oil me if you're gone?
Well, you'll all have to take very good care of yourself now. Goodbye, Tin Woodman.
I would have found my heart if it wasn't for you.
Goodbye, Scarecrow. Goodbye, Bye. We'll miss you very much. Bye, Dorothy.
Bye, Dorothy. Bye, Dorothy.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
Dorothy, where have you been?
Oh, Auntie Em, Uncle Henry, I've been to the land of Oz, and there's no place like home.
Now we'd like to present to you the characters of the Wizard of Oz, beginning with the narrator, who was played by Heather Grove. Dorothy was played by Krisserin Canary. Auntie M by Jennifer Martin. Uncle Henry by Justin Bedard. Toto by Chase Fennell. Good Witch by Tabitha Garduno. Scarecrow by Robert Pappenroth. The Lion by Ashley Carruthers. The Tin Man by Doug Porter. The Wizard by Blackwood. A Wicked Witch by Amanda Jones. The Witch's Kitty Kitty by Candace Camiso. Our Munchkins were played by Chris Bell, Sharif Carter, Esther Ventura, Bonnie Wick, Justin Bedard. Our Guardian was played by Marnie Vick. Oh, good. And our stage crew did a really fine job. I was very proud of them. Starting with Brenda Lopez, who handled lighting. She coordinated all the lighting. Karina Knuth and Jamal, I believe, is back there as well, who handled the curtains. Michael Moffat and Josh Davis were in charge of the stage crew. Michael Moffat was our art director. He did all the artwork of the play. And Ronnie, once again, was our troubleshooter. Thank you for coming to see the Wizard of they stare more, they don't react as much as the older kids will. But the reactions that I was hearing was very positive amongst the little ones. They get captivated by stuff, so they may not react as much. The older ones will probably react more. On the jokes, Jennifer? Yeah. Can you improve that a little bit? Okay. The Slinker story was perfect. It went real well. I can't think of anything else to improve. You guys have any ideas, Josh? Why don't we do the Squeaker story